Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change your name on Amazon step by step. Whether you've recently updated your name, want to fix a spelling mistake, or just prefer using a nickname, this tutorial is for you. First of all, go visit the Amazon website if you are using a web browser and log in, or if you have a smartphone, open up the Amazon shopping application. After you are logged into the account, click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on your name at the top left corner and you will see a pop-up at the bottom. Click on View right next to your current name and click on the pencil button at the top. You will see that you can now change your name. Go ahead and erase your current name and type down a new one. Now click Continue. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your name in your Amazon shopping app. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.